Here's the 10. Keep going.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, are you trying to get to 10?
10.
A little bit more. Yeah.
That was so lit.
It's stuck. Look at the paper stuck to the conical glass.
Safety timing.
For hydrochloric acid.
Yeah.
How much just put 10? 10. This in here.
Minus 25.
Wait, so do we always put 10 hydrochloric acid?
Yeah.
There we go. Thanks.
Here's a pen. What's this pen for? Is it purple? It is.
It is. That's pink. That's pink, not purple.
Fuchsia.
What's that?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, you got it right. Okay.
I think this one is gonna be a slow one.
This is much easier than looking, yeah. We can just look. It has been 28 years and the cross is still there.
Disappearing class experiment. You know, you should follow at Sophie Holder.
Miz is not a rock.
No!
Yes, she is.
I'll just spell it out because I don't know how to pronounce it. C-A-H-Q-I. It's Hathqui. What am I doing this time?
Wait, what am I
I'm
doing?
stopwatching.
Oh, I'm pouring this thing. Okay, so what I've got to do is I've got to transfer stuff from this beaker into this one.
Put that, oh my gosh. Put 10 in here.
10
Yeah.
in here.
How do you do this? Oh, okay, got it. Reset.
What?
Oh, no.
Today, we are vlogging about our science experiment. Oh, bit of a breeze there. Look at that hair blow. Anyway, Anna, get out my vlog. No. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, I think they're done, finally. After a long time of waiting.
Wait, so we put it over in that thing.
In the lilac thing.
And then we, okay.
My stopwatch.
This is not my stopwatch. This is my beaker that I'm watching in. Officially not mine. One drop.
No. Go. Please be quick.
Put that there.
This should be the quickest.
This should be the quickest one. Calculators just be like,
No, but like,
How do you know anything though? Wouldn't the person who made them know all the answers to all that?
no, it would be like a formula thing.
but what do you mean by smart?
Maybe what is a calculator is just the greatest mystery of all time.
Maybe it's just a big brain type thing.
It's great. Somebody programmed a brain inside of a calculator. Just smushed one. No, what they do is they got a really smart person's brain, cut it up, put it in the base of the calculator, just smushed it.
Oh, could have made Albert Einstein's.
Albert Einstein's brain. They just
No,
sliced it.
they actually like they have slices of his brain somewhere.
You always got to clean up and wash all your equipment. The epitome of washing.
I'm the star of the show. I knew this YouTube channel.
Thank you to the
educational video. We're so smart.
You know, follow.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Did you miss?
I missed it. There we are. That's good.
And out.